Hi there, and welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2018 Jeep Wrangler soft top automatic with only 14,800 kilometers and an extended factory warranty which pays for 12 oil changes, 12 tire rotations, and extends the major component warranty right up to 5 years or 100,000 kilometers. This 2018 Jeep Wrangler is a local vehicle with no accidents, and with the automatic transmission and the foldable soft top, you're all ready for summer. This 2018 Jeep Wrangler has the black appearance package, which gets you the Bridgestone Dueler AT all-terrain tires and the blacked out factory rims, along with the black side steps. Looks great with the black paint. You've got the black gray cloth interior, and a lot of people don't know that that back seat actually folds up and pops out. There's an option you don't find on a lot of Jeep soft tops. It's got Uconnect hands-free, so you can make phone calls or receive phone calls without touching your phone all the time you're driving the vehicle, keeping your eyes on the road. Equipped with an automatic transmission and command track 4-wheel drive system. Shift on the fly, takes you anywhere you want to go. This 2018 Jeep has 14,398 kilometers, and like I said in the introduction, an extended factory warranty which covers 12 tire rotations and 12 oil changes. That means most of your service is taken care of, plus it extends the major component warranty right up to 5 years or 100,000 kilometers. It's about a $3,500 option if you're looking at a brand new one. If it's raining outside, let's say it's snowy or windy or cold, you know what, don't worry. We'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this 2018 Jeep Wrangler, we'll back it inside our indoor heated showroom. You can see it underneath the showroom lights, enjoy a coffee, take your time, and relax. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low rate financing with extended terms, plus we assist our customers that have had BRUISED credit. That means you'll be driving a newer vehicle, like this 2018 Jeep Wrangler, at a lower rate, and the whole time you'll be rebuilding your credit. Where do you find that? Miracle Truck and Car Company. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. All you have to do is look for the Coombs Country Junction. You'll see our outdoor display and the Miracle Truck and Car Company sign. And all you got to do is go straight down and you'll run right into our indoor showroom. You know what? It's just a nicer way to buy a vehicle. You can deal with one or both of the owners. We'll answer all your questions. We'll get you approved. We'll get you a payment. We'll appraise your car. It's simpler. It's easier. We hope you'll enjoy it. And you know what? We just really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.